Recently, I've been seeing a lot of other tech content creators making their own recording setups. Some of them are crazy and some of them are really simple and basic, but the overall is that it's a simple area for them to just press record and start getting their content done. And a lot of the ones I've been seeing look extremely cool to me, and I think it would help my content workflow as well. So in this video, we're going to be turning this empty corner in my room into my dream A-roll recording setup. Alright, so my plan for this setup is simple. I want an area where I can easily just go and press record and start getting my content done. So here's everything that I have for this setup. My phone holder, my microphone mount, my iPad, my key light, my microphone, and some extra accessories. Alright, so starting out with pretty much the whole base of the setup, which is going to be my dresser. Eventually I want to replace this entire area with an actual desk so I can actually sit to stand, get different angles, stuff like that. But until then, we're just gonna use this for now. There is a little site where I can clamp something on here. So I'm actually gonna use this other little phone holder that I got a while back when I first started making videos. So let's go ahead and install this into the desk. All right, so now that we got the phone mount installed, I'm actually gonna install my old boom arm that I used to have in my gaming setup. The reason I'm installing this is because I use my main microphone for using my voiceovers, but I also use it for gaming. But the good thing is it's easily detachable from both of my boom arms, so I can easily take it from one desk to the other. So let's go ahead and install this boom arm. So there's actually a change of plans. The last boom arm that I was just previously using that I showed you guys had a weird design where the top clamping part was really big, but the bottom clamping part was separated by a metal piece. If I wanted to sit it somewhere, the metal piece that would bend at the bottom was restricting me from pushing them together. I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is the boom arm that I bought that I got scammed on because it was plasticky and couldn't support the weight of my microphone. So we're gonna try and use this one and see what happens. Let's go. All right, so now that we've fixed, the issue with the microphones, we're on the next part, which is the key lights. Now, so what I'm probably gonna have to end doing is just putting it at the bottom down here and putting the light up to its max height and then angling it because it does have a ball angle on here so I can move it around. So that's a good fix for now. Again, I am not buying anything new for this setup. I'm purely using stuff that I already have. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, guys, so I think we're making really good progress on the setup so far. We have our mic set up, our tripod set up, and now we have our key light set up. So that will just plug in directly back here. There's an outlet behind this. I got another plug I can use, and this will go directly to that. So I think we're making really good progress. So the next part, let's get my iPad put into the setup. All right, so this is my iPad right here. I've had this for almost 10 years now, or maybe a little bit less. It's nothing crazy. It's just a 7th generation iPad. Good for, watching YouTube, playing some mobile games. But in this case, we're going to use it as my monitor. As you guys know, shooting on the back camera of a phone or any device is just better overall. That's where you have access to your lenses, and shooting with the front facing cameras isn't that good. So now we're just gonna set this up. All right, so as you can see, we have the iPad in the setup. Again, what we're gonna do, I'm probably gonna end up downloading an app and screen mirror my phone to my iPad. So I'll go ahead and add all the extra accessories to it. We are officially done building the setup. I know from what you guys have seen, it's not at all one of the best setups I built and not really good looking at all. But again, I was really focusing on functionality here and just being able to have an area where I can easily go and record and not have to worry about any limitations like lighting or changing in lighting, anything like that. I just wanted to go and record and make it very simple. So now, guys, I'm going to give you a review of the setup. If you did like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you have anything you think I should change to this setup, let me know down in the comments. Let's get into it. So So now this is what my A-roll is going to start looking like in my videos from now on. This isn't fully what I envisioned for this setup, but again, with what I had at my disposal, I think I did a pretty decent job. And again, this was not supposed to be a very aesthetic setup at all, like I want to be. It's more of a functionality setup, especially with me not buying anything brand new. So I really appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you did enjoy, consider liking the video and dropping a sub, because I make lots of videos similar to this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.